Hello guys, this is Maddie. Welcome to the Centaur Interactive. Today we will discuss about ways of selling on Amazon. In this video, we particularly focused on Amazon dropshipping businesses. Let's get into the topic. Want to start selling on Amazon but don't want to invest a lot of time or money while selling on Amazon? If you ask an e-commerce seller for advice on how to start selling things online without spending a fortune or a lot of time, they will mostly suggest your dropshipping businesses. So what is dropshipping? It is a process or a way of handling orders in which e-commerce companies contract out the sourcing, storage and delivery of the goods that their customers have requested. Sellers merely send a purchase order to the factory or the fulfillment centers. After the order is placed, the third party is in the charge of managing the products, getting it ready for the delivery and then giving it to the customers. Dropshipping could be attractive to companies that want to sell generic goods. Then how does dropshipping on Amazon work? In the case of dropshipping, an online merchant takes order on behalf of manufacturer, distributor or supplier. After a buyer orders the product, the seller hires the supplier to fulfill those sales. Dropshippers frequently rename the goods they market as their own, concealing the fact they bought them from the manufacturer in the process. This behavior is typically on the online friend stores like Amazon, eBay and Shopify. And although this might sound little odd, we have simplified it for you so that you can better grasp how it works and how to start dropshipping in 2022. Let's see how to do a dropshipping on Amazon. We have split it into 4 ways. Here it is. Number 1, find the right products and the right seller. Number 2, set up Amazon seller account. Number 3, do a keyword research. Number 4, list your products on Amazon. Number 1, find the right product and the right seller. First, you must find out the best and most lucrative product on Amazon. You don't want to be forced to continue selling a product that is hard to sell on. After all, you want a product that are flying off the shelves, producing a substantial number of orders each day and bringing in sizable sum of money. It benefits both you and your provider, so it is a double win. The next step is to set up the Amazon Seller Central account and start the show. After selecting the products and suppliers, it is a reasonably simple process with the easy to understand steps. Additionally, it is advised that you choose the professional plan over the individual one because you are likely to sell more than 40 units each month. After setting up for the account, do a keyword research. The significance of Amazon keyword research has been underlined often and always for the right reason. Making your product visible in the marketplace will be challenging if you don't speak the customer language or even comprehend the type of online search queries they employ. Therefore, the first thing you should do after signing up as an Amazon seller is to compile a list of all the top keywords related to your products. The collection out to contain typical inquiries with a lot of search volumes. Last but not least, list your product on Amazon. When a buyer visits your page on Amazon, they will read your product listing first. Based on the data and content you supply there, they will decide whether or not to buy. As a result, it must be imaginative and interesting, and most importantly, it must include all your product top keywords. After all, in order for your dropshipping business to succeed, you must attract your customer to your listing and persuade them to purchase your product. Now you might think, how it going to benefit me? Let me tell you, it will save up on warehouse cost. Being able to operate an Amazon dropshipping businesses without needing to invest in a warehouse is one of its advantages. Also manages return and offer customer services. You might know numerous suppliers sell their goods in large quantity to Amazon. The supply is kept by the Amazon in the warehouses ready to ship to the clients. For all Amazon suppliers, the firm also manages its return and offers customer services in numerous languages. What are you waiting for? Start your Amazon dropshipping today. Hope you all benefited through this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more Amazon related updates. Until then, it's bye from Maddie. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.